Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to harvest ramps, which is a native allium, sustainably. So basically it's very easy. There's 3 steps. So this happens in March to April, even into May you can pick some. So basically the first step is to identify it. So ramps look like this. They have light bluish green leaves, and they have what are called flags, these 2 leaves. Very old ramps with large bulbs will have 3 leaves sometimes, and you'll see sometimes they will, but most of them have 2. And the easiest way to ID them is to tear a leaf off and just smell it. Very garlicky. So there you go, you got it. There are a lot of other monocots that look like this that have this type of leaf with the parallel veins. But if you smell it, and once you get like the eye for it, it's super easy to ID. So that's step 1, is identify. Step 2 is find a large patch. So my rule is if the patch is less than like a 5 foot diameter circle, then it's pretty small. These patches are luckily very large. Right here goes all the way over there and over here. So I think we're good. I never harvest from small patches because they're just being established. Generally the bulbs are smaller and the leaves are smaller because the bulbs are smaller. They have less energy stored. So you want to get a large patch, and you don't want to harvest the whole thing. Never. And the third step is you want to harvest 1 leaf per plant. So there you go. I left this leaf. The plant can still photosynthesize and store energy in the bulb for next year. It will still survive. Right here, I took 1 leaf. Actually, this one might only have 1 leaf. But yeah, just take 1 leaf. It's super easy, super fast. And you don't have to worry about hurting the population, because each plant will still have enough energy to survive the winter and come back next year. And it might not grow a lot because you did harvest this 1 leaf, but it's still going to survive and thrive. So yeah, there you go. Just like 15 seconds, got a big handful of leaves. And a lot of people will dig the bulbs. I do not support this at all. Unless you're trying to establish them on your land, never dig the bulbs. There's a couple reasons for this. 1, the leaves taste just as good, no matter what anyone says. The bulbs are a little bit stronger tasting, but the fact that you have to dig, it takes way longer to dig the bulbs, and they're super dirty, and you have to clean them off. These leaves are pristine. You can literally, you don't even have to wash these. You can literally just chop them up, throw them in whatever. I've been eating these every single day in the springtime. I love ramps so much. And yeah, sustainably harvested. It's very fast and easy. So find yourself some ramps and don't dig the bulbs. Remember to take 1 leaf per plant. All right, have a great one. Good luck foraging. Remember to grow native. Bye.